Considering withdrawing money from your Empower 401k, accessing your retirement funds comes with specific rules and potential implications. In this guide, I'll walk you through the general process of withdrawing money from an Empower 401k. Before initiating any withdrawal, it's crucial to understand the rules. Generally, 401k withdrawals are only allowed under specific circumstances, such as retirement, termination of employment, or a qualified hardship. Early withdrawals, before age 59 and a half, often incur a 10% penalty plus income taxes. To start, log into your Empower retirement account online or contact their customer service. Navigate to your 401k plan and look for withdrawals or distributions. You'll need to select the reason for your withdrawal. Finally, complete the necessary paperwork and provide any required documentation to prove your eligibility. Empower will process your request, and the funds will be disbursed according to your chosen method, minus any applicable taxes and penalties. Always consult a financial advisor before making retirement withdrawals. And there you have it. Withdrawing from an Empower 401k involves important considerations. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.